Hey guys, are you interested in how I made this Chipotle from home? Just stay tuned and stick around. All right guys, I'm back. So I've cleaned and I've dried, I guess patted dry with a paper towel, my one piece of salmon fillet, and now I'm just dicing into small dices, actually more of a medium-sized dice. I like bite size when I make Chipotle from home. And then I'm gonna season my salmon with little olive oil and then some all-purpose seasoning and my garlic blend that stands for garlic, onion, and lemon, aka Goes. Both of these blends are actually from my store online. They will be relaunching very soon, so please subscribe if you have not at chefmomstable.com. So I've skinned the fat and cleaned my chicken, but I saved some of the fat for extra juices. Who doesn't like extra juices? Okay, so I'm seasoning the chicken with the same 3 seasonings. All right guys, my mistake. I actually seasoned with ground black pepper as well for my salmon and chicken. My mistake. Moving on. So here we have a large skillet. I applied medium-high heat and some coconut oil and olive oil. I have not been using my coconut oil, and I wanted to see the results when you use that oil instead of just butter. And I'm just going to allow my salmon to cook between 5 to 6 minutes until you get that beautiful color. You're going to take it out and set it aside, and then we're going to save those juices for our chicken thighs. Woohoo! So I'm cooking my chicken thigh skin side down, and I'm going to allow it to cook for about 7 to 8 minutes on both sides. Make sure it's cooked and the internal temperatures are always 165 on the inside. I'm just going to go in and slice my chicken, and I also allow my chicken to rest the way I allow my steak to rest. I also added some more seasoned salt because I tasted one piece and I didn't really like it the way that I made it. So it's always okay to add more, but if you add too much in the beginning, it's hard to take away. That's a note for you guys. So now I'm just assembling all of the things that I use for my Chipotle bowl. I think I missed out on something that I would normally get from Chipotle. I forgot what it was, but I'm about to find out. So I'm just layering my salmon and then my chicken thighs. Then I'm gonna go in with this, Lord have mercy, this microwave bag of rice. It changes my life here and there. When you just running out of time and you're trying to get the kids to bed, but you don't really want to waste more time to boil rice and wait for it to simmer and wait for it to fluff up, put that in for 90 seconds and it will change your life. I love it. Then I'm adding some shredded cheese, guacamole, and I love guac, guys. Oh my gosh. But then I'm going to come in with some sour cream. And I never really liked the sour cream until I started eating at Qdoba and Chipotle. It's so crazy. But there you have it, guys. This is my Chipotle from home. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please go like and subscribe. Love y'all. Peace out.